Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And good morning to everyone. I am Aisyah Zahira binti Muhammad Izahan. I am 5 years old. I am from Tadikan Kegasi Jinan Khalifah Seri Adalah. Today, I would like to read a poem, Lovely Flora and Fauna. Flowers bloom in colorless light, opening petals in morning light. They sway gently in the breeze, bringing joy in calming peace. The trees grow tall with leaves of wings, the tallest plant we ever see. They give a shade and air softly, setting proud with every state. Thank you, Allah, for wonderful work, making lovely flora and fauna. Flora and fauna. Flora, fauna. I love it. You love it. Thank you, Allah. Thank you, Allah, for making forest. Thank you. Bye.